Hey cookie lovers, today is I Love Reese's Day, so let's make some Reese's Pieces chocolate chip cookies. You'll need my chocolate chip cookie mix, Reese's Pieces candy of course, butter, egg, vanilla, and a bowl. Preheat your oven to 350 and you will need to separate that egg out. All we need is the egg yolk. And this helps to make sure that the snack size cookie mixes are rich and chewy. Add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter, and the cookie mix. The chocolate chip morsels are already included, so you won't have to worry about that unless you like to add more, but they're already in there. Start mixing that up. Because you aren't using a stand mixer, at some point you may have to get in there with your hands. So get that dough formed by working it all in there, working those wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And you'll only need about a 1/4 cup of the Reese's Pieces. So don't overdo it like I did. You will need to line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Use an ice cream scoop to portion out your dough. Roll it out and separate it like 1 to 2 inches apart on the baking sheet and put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And you're all done. I like to top my cookies off with more chocolate chips and more Reese's Pieces, and they are ready to go. They smelled amazing, and I just could not even wait for them to cool off. You can make ice cream sandwiches out of this. You can really just enjoy them by themselves. Add peanut butter morsels. The sky is the limit. So happy I Love Reese's Day. Enjoy.